Private paradise, say the creators of LIFEWALL. Behind the loud slogan and beautiful name are these panels. With lots of cells for plants, the minimum order is $10,000. A typical project takes 60 days and includes all stages. From sketching to installation, it allows you to transform both residential and commercial buildings such as cafes or pool areas. This system was invented in India and the team has successfully completed more than 300 projects according to environmentalists. Breathing the air of Delhi is like smoking 50 cigarettes a day. So the popularity of these projects is guaranteed. This huge machine with an equally imposing name is essential for working with concrete. It can make barriers as well as smooth foundations. The maximum height of the object is 8 feet. And the paving width reaches 12.1 feet wider than a road lane in Western Europe thanks to the 3D control and GPS support. Precise and accurate operation is assured. And in case of problems, there are 8 emergency stop buttons. The truck is driven by a Cummins 220 horsepower diesel engine, and for all of its complexity, the developers have tried to make the life of the operator simpler. For example, all tracks are moved to a new position with one button and the control panel can be moved. Did you know that an report last year called Rising Noise Levels a serious environmental threat to our health in Europe? Alone 48,000 new cases of noise-related coronary heart disease are reported each year. So for residents of many countries, acoustic panels are not a luxury but a necessary measure. Manufacturers have realized this and began to produce aesthetically pleasing models. This one, made with oak veneer, will fit perfectly in any home and office environment. The panels are fixed with glue or nails. The felts used in panels is made from recycled plastic. One of the standard options is a 1.5 by 30 by 240 centimeter panel that costs $86 and is suitable not only for walls and ceilings, but also for furniture such as a bed headboard. This sailing system is perfect to repair existing lines as well as lay new ones. Only 2 components are used: sealant and thermoplastic sleeves. The sleeves will allow you to easily and quickly split cables and pipes, as well as create a bearing surface after application. The sealant retains its elasticity so the cables and pipes can shift slightly. In addition, the sealing system retains its properties in temperatures ranging from 356 to -58 degrees Fahrenheit, allows the installation of communications at any angle, and provides some vibration absorption as an extra bonus. There is a special program that allows you to calculate the amounts of necessary materials and keep track of them. The construction industry in China is one of the best. For example, in June 2021 they built a 10-story building in about 29 hours. So these panels for the quick installation of underfloor heating are used very often. They're also popular in the European market. According to the manufacturer, the advantages include flexibility, durability, and an array of different options for specific projects. For example, the silver version or the CN130D complemented with aluminum foil and a total thickness of 2.8 centimeters. Heats very quickly and evenly, and the temperature is adjustable and can reach 45 degrees Celsius. This is an interesting solution for those who want to upgrade the yard. A combination of small stones and a special resin like binder will make it possible to create a seamless surface on almost any area. For example, the experts Once worked on a 6,727 square foot project. It costs a pretty penny though, $80 for laying 11 square feet. On an already prepared site, and $171.50 for working from scratch, but the coating is permeable at a thickness of 0.7 inches. It can support the weight of a car and it looks very nice. The company offers more than 30 color solutions, and you can lay the material yourself. Our selection continues with a master, who's preparing to install a low-profile shower tray in order for the water to drain without problems. He must first raise the area, the special insert that increases the height of the tray by 90 mm. Will come in handy. Interestingly, the simple detail is available in 7 textures and 16 colors. The decorative side panels also come in different versions. Not to mention the trays, the models in the catalog exude individuality and perfectly fit into the current trends. For example, the nature weight shower tray is at least 2.3 centimeters thick and compact. The minimum size is 100 by 70 centimeters. These trays are all made in Spain, a country known for its hot summers, so those who want to refresh themselves in comfort and style should check them out. Thermal innovation without unnecessary expenses promises. The manufacturer of this spray-on product, ECOTERMIX, is not affected by moisture and is suitable for both outdoor and indoor work. After being applied to the surface, the composition expands 40 to 100 times, filling joints, gaps and cavities, even the hidden ones. About 90% of the volume is air, and the remaining 10 is the polymer frame. This also creates a noise insulating effect, and the density is up to 3.8 pounds per cubic foot. You don't need to install a vapor barrier to work, which is very convenient. Next, the fastest and easiest method of insulating a house or an apartment. With styrofoam, at least that's what the authors of the video state. They offer thermal panels that can be installed without using mesh plaster or paint. Just glue the panels to the wall and you're good to go. You can choose from 4 types of design: marble, chips, brick, wood and stone. The work speed is excellent. A team of 3 people can insulate 200 square meters in 4 days. In addition, the panels are 5 times lighter than clinker tiles, easy for one person to carry and can be cut with a regular knife. 1 in 3 of our customers insulates their house on their own as the salesman. The price for a square meter of 50 mm thick panels is $15.50. What can you build if you have $3 billion? One option is a 76.4-mile-long high-speed railroad. That's exactly what they did in Germany, and they went all in. They built 35 railroad bridges and 39 highway bridges as part of this project, along with a viaduct about 4 miles long. That was the longest in Europe when the work was completed. Thanks to the project, it only takes 43 minutes to drive from Erfurt to Leipzig and 34 minutes to get from airport to Halle. Not surprisingly, as the train travels at 186 miles per hour, which is only 12.4 miles slower than the famous Japanese bullet trains. This unusual system is sure to evoke nostalgia in many people. This is a window made of glass blocks. One of its main features is flexibility. It allows you to fit an exhaust hood, a ventilation system, a window leaf or anything else into it, and it's easy to install, even without advanced construction skills. The tutorial consists of only 5 steps. The manufacturer says that it's ideal for kitchens and basements. The glass lets in plenty of light, but it protects you from prying eyes and doesn't require curtains. They also offer a 10-year limited warranty, but it's up to you. To decide whether the price tag of $100 for a 108 by 54 centimeter window justifies the benefits. If you want to protect your home, you may need to build some walls and a gate. Conventional options are boring and not always beautiful, but this one will remind you a little of the glory days of chivalry and allow you to feel like a castle owner. The idea is simple. First you put a metal frame and then pour or place stones in it. The resulting construction is called gabion, and it's probably familiar to fans of military history. It's been used since the 16th century. After all, the frame is easy enough to carry and the stones in earth are easy to find on the site. The manufacturer of this modern version assures that the gabion protects from noise and dust, and is suitable for installation in mountainous and hilly terrain. They charge about $13 for a 1.6 foot square block.